second graders, by now you should have read Yation and watched the story of Cinderella. And now in your notebook, I want you to draw a Venn diagram. Remember, there are two circles that overlap each other. Or you can click on this link here and you can print out the Venn diagram to fill in. Remember, Venn diagrams are when we're comparing and contrasting two things. So today we're comparing and contrasting the two stories that have a lot of similarities and several differences as well. So I put at the top Yashin at the top of one and Cinderella at the top of the other with a box around it. So I can tell those are my headings, those are different, those are the titles of the stories. Okay, then what's different in the stories where Yashin buried fish bones to make wishes, and then in Cinderella, the fairy godmother granted her wishes. Okay, there was no fish in Cinderella, so I could even add that on here, no fish. Okay, how they're alike goes in the middle. So both Cinderella and Yashin completed chores and had to do chores for their stepmother. So that goes in the middle. You can go ahead and take my ideas for your first one, and I want you to go ahead and fill in at least maybe 5, 6 more things total. Okay, so maybe 2 more, 2 more, and 2 more to see how are the stories alike and how are they different. All right, good luck, have fun. If you need to, go back and reread the story or go back and look at the pictures to help you compare and contrast the two stories.